Hello everyone, it's Mimi again from Mimi's Worms, and I just wanted to bring you guys aboard today to just show you how we are doing some of our winterizing of our beds. One of the things that we like to do when we know it's going to be a really cold night is just go in and add a little bit more bedding, not as wet as we normally would allow it. That is some yellow bacteria that's coming up here from the coffee grounds. Nothing that's going to hurt the worms. We do have some extra cardboard in here, and we don't have these as wet as we normally would. We just fed this bed some more bedding, so that's why you're not seeing as many worms here at the top. We also keep it covered with some plastic this time of year. Does make it a little bit inconvenient when you go to water, because you do have to pull this plastic back, but because you don't water as much in the winter time as we do in the summertime, we only have to do this a couple of times a week because we just don't add as much water when it's colder, because we don't want that water to freeze. So if you know that you're going to have a colder night, just add another layer of bedding that hasn't gone through as much of a heat cycle. Now, you don't want it to be really hot, but you want it to be, a little warm. And then see, like our beds, they're running about 70 degrees, and our temperatures last night was 27. So that just goes to show you that it works. Our worms are very happy. They're all showing out. Hope you guys like these videos. If you would like, share, and subscribe to us, that always helps. Give us a thumbs up, and we'll be bringing you more videos. If you would, in the comments below, let me know what you do to keep your bins warmer in the winter. What have you found that really helps to keep your worms warm and survive in the winter? We'd love to hear from you. All right, until the next video, you guys have a wonderful day.